We are going to add 1 cup and 2/3 of chickpeas to our food processor. I soak these overnight and then I cook them today. So they are cooked, okay? I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of tahini to this. I'm going to process this until it is smooth and I have no lumps. I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of maple syrup and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna put in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm gonna transfer this to a bowl. All right, I'm going to add, about 1/2 cup of chocolate chips to this. These are dark chocolate chips, okay? I'm gonna add more chocolate to this. Better, I want it to have more chips in there. These little cookies don't spread much, so they don't have to be way far apart from each other. So we're going to place them in an oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 centigrade, for between 10 and 12 minutes until you see the edges starting to brown. Here's our cooked cookies. They're very soft when they first come out of the oven. Let them cool down on the pan and then transfer them to a cooling rack, okay? So you're gonna get about 36 cookies, guys. Look at this. We have a soft, moist cookie. And you would never know there's chickpeas in here, or even tahini for that matter. This cookie is a little earthy. It's nutty. It is a tiny bit bitter, but that is contrasted with the sweetness of the maple syrup and the chocolate. It's quite special and very nice if you don't want to eat flour and eggs or dairy. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.